In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom animation in Canva. We'll build a smooth zoom effect using simple page duplicates and a transition, so you can create dynamic movement without advanced editing. Start by opening a template in Canva. You can use a blank design or any preset layout that matches your project. Once your canvas is open, upload your first image. Head to the Uploads tab, bring your image in, and drag it onto the page. Resize it using the corner handles so it fits your layout nicely, and reposition it until the framing feels right. The alignment guides will help you center things cleanly. Next, insert the second image you plan to feature later in the zoom. Add it to the same page, then resize and reposition it so both images sit where you want them in the starting composition. When your layout looks good, select everything on the page and group it. Grouping keeps your elements locked together so they scale and move as one. Now, reduce the page duration using the time control beneath the canvas. A shorter duration keeps the pace snappy and makes your motion feel intentional. Duplicate the page. On the duplicated page, enlarge the grouped content to create your first zoom in. Position the group so the area you want to highlight lands in the center of the frame. This establishes the destination of your zoom. Go back and duplicate the original first page again, then drag that duplicate between the original and the zoomed-in page. This creates the sequence needed for a smooth move from the wide view into the close-up. Duplicate the zoomed-in page as well and drag that copy to the end of your page list. On this end page, enlarge and position the content to emphasize your second image or the next focal point, so the motion continues logically. Finally, duplicate the original first page one more time and drag that duplicate to the very end. This gives you a clean, consistent finish. Now add the transition. Click between pages and choose Match and Move. This transition detects how elements change between pages and animates the zoom and pan automatically. Adjust the transition duration to control the speed, shorter for a quick punch, longer for a slower, cinematic move. Click Apply between all pages to keep the movement consistent across your entire sequence. When you're done, click Play to preview. If anything feels too fast or off-center, tweak the positions, scale, or durations, then preview again. That's it. You've created a smooth zoom animation in Canva.